Amigas, who out there loves some breakfast for dinner? Today we're going to make a ranchera omelet. It is one of my favorites and it is definitely a hit. And it's super simple and easy to make. Let's get it going. Let's go ahead and get started with our veggies. For our omelet, I am going to use some green bell pepper, red bell pepper, tomatoes, and some onion. The goal is to dice them all about the same size. But of course, first I'm going to throw onto the griddle the bell peppers just because I need those to cook a little longer since they are a little thicker in general. We're going to add those first and then we will go ahead and move on to our tomatoes and our onion. You already know I love me some onion, honey. And of course, to speed things up, amigas, I'm going to cover up my bell pepper with the dome just to get them nice and soft a little faster. Amigas, for my meat, I am using flap steak. I did cut it up before because when I throw it onto the griddle, I want to see once the color changes so it doesn't dry out and we get that juicy meat. You already know I like it juicy. And of course, we did season our meat with onion powder, red crushed pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and black pepper. And girl, if you have some meat seasoning in your pantry, go ahead and use that. Honestly, this is what I have and this is what I'm going to be using. Okay, now I'm going to wash my hands because look at how dirty they look. Now that our bell peppers are nice and soft, I'm going to add my onion and tomatoes. And of course, don't forget to season it. We always need to season everything. And I went in with the same seasoning that I used for my meat. Chef's kiss, amigas, so make sure you add them on. Now let's move on to our meat. I'm going to slide my veggies over. I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil and throw down my meat. I am going to cook it on medium so that it does not overcook on me, amigas. Amigas, it looks like our meat is done, so we're going to take it off the griddle and add it to the bowl. We don't want our meat dry, girl. You already know my man don't like his meat dry. I don't like my meat dry, so we got to make sure we get it off quickly. Now our veggies are also ready, so let's get those off the griddle. Now we're going to make our eggs, you guys. We're going to use 3 large eggs. You already know my husband loves himself a large breakfast. We are going to season our eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper, and it'll be super delicious. And before adding our eggs to the griddle, of course, we need to clean it. To clean my griddle, I am going to scrape it. And once I scrape it, I'm going to add a little bit of water, scrape it one more time, and then add some oil to make it look nice and shiny like my face, as you can see on the video. And it's ready to start cooking. Now we have to pour our eggs onto the griddle, amigas. And when we're pouring it, have a spatula ready so that you can try to shape it into a circle as best as you can. Once it's poured onto the griddle, let one side fully cook. Then we give it a little flip, add our meat, and of course our cheese. You already know I love me my cheese. We're gonna close it up. Once it's closed, we have to top our omelet with some more cheese. You can never have too much cheese. Once that cheese is melted on top, we're going to flip it around and let it get nice and crispy so you can get that crunch. We love ourselves some crunch. Amigas, our omelet is ready. Now it's time to plate it. And let's show off that skirt. Not the one that you're gonna be wearing this Friday night, but the one on the omelet. So nice and crispy, you guys. For our toppings, we're going to go in with some sour cream, queso fresco, and some leftover salsa that I had in my fridge. You already know we can't get rid of the leftovers. We have to eat them all. Look at how delicious my plate looks. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. Shut up, you guys. I'm so ready to eat this. We're gonna get that cheese, that meat. Ready? I'm gonna use my hand because I don't care to get dirty. This is so good. Ready? That is so good. This is the best breakfast for dinner. You need to try it. Mixing our meat with our veggies, you guys, makes it super juicy, so we have to make sure that we do that. And also our cheese, we got to let it crisp on the outside to get that perfect crunch, but yet just the juicy meat inside. Also, we have to top it because just having crema makes it even juicier. Who doesn't like a juicy omelet? Do you like a juicy omelet?
Love it.
Okay, perfect. And of course, our cheese, our salsa, we got that spice. Don't forget the spice because the spice just makes the taste even more amazing. And amigas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and find this recipe on blackstoneproducts.com. Bye. Love you guys.